Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in my video we are going to discuss about an important population interaction, that is the predation. So what is predation? Predation is the nature's way of transferring the energy fixed by plants to higher levels. The examples of predation is not only a lion eating a deer, but also a sparrow eating any seed or an animal eating any plant. The herbivores especially eating any plant, even that is also called as predation. Okay, the predators act as conduits for energy transfer across the trophic levels. What do you mean by this? The predators are acting as channels for transferring the energy across the different trophic levels. Okay, what are the different roles played by the predators? Predators keep the prey population under control, means they help in regulating the population of the prey. And then the pest control methods that we use in agriculture, even that is based on prey and predator interaction. And predators also help in maintaining the species diversity by stopping or reducing the interspecific competition. We will be discussing about these 3 points in detail, okay, in briefly further in my video. The plus and minus sign showing there is the plus indicates that in predation one of the organism is getting benefited while another is having a detrimental condition. The first case that we are looking into is the introduction of the prickly pear cactus into Australia. When certain exotic species or the alien species are introduced into a geographical area, they become invasive and start spreading fast across the land because they may not be having the natural predators over there. The same happened in Australia in 1920s, where the prickly pear cactus was introduced into the Australia, and it caused a havoc by spreading rapidly into millions of hectares. Then finally the people of Australia brought this cactus into control by introducing a cactus eating moth, which was a predator and the cactus was a prey here. So this explains the first point, that the predator controls the prey population. The predator, that is the moth, has controlled the population of cactus. Coming to the second case, the Piastara, an important predator. In a field experiment, when all the starfish were removed from an enclosed area, more than 10 species of invertebrates became extinct. The reason why they became extinct was the interspecific competition. So this explains the third point, that predators also help in maintaining the species diversity in a community by reducing the intensity of interspecific competition. Now, coming to the point, predators are prudent in nature. An important assertion reasoning question may appear from this point. The predators, if they are too efficient and overexploit their prey, the prey might become extinct, and following this, the predator may also become extinct due to the lack of food. So the prey species, for escaping the predation, they have also evolved few special techniques which lessen the predation. Some species of insects and frogs have evolved the mechanism of camouflage, while some prey are poisonous for the predators, so they avoid eating them. The best example is the monarch butterfly, which is highly distasteful to its predator, that is the bird, because there is a special chemical present in its body which is formed during its caterpillar stage by feeding on a poisonous weed. As we've already discussed that even an herbivore eating a plant is also a predation, so it is difficult for plants as they can't move from a place to place. So let us see what are the different evolutions that plant has to escape from predation. Thorns of acacia and cactus are the most common morphological means of defense that a plant has developed. Many plants produce and store chemicals that make the herbivore sick and affects its physiological processes. The best example for this is the calotropis growing in abundant fields. The plant produces highly poisonous cardiac glycosides. That is why we never see any cow or buffalo or cattle rearing around this plant. A wide variety of chemical substances that we extract from plants for commercial purposes like nicotine, caffeine, opium, etc. are also produced by them actually as a defense against the grazing animals. Hope you all understood the concept of predation, and in my next video we will be discussing about another population interaction. Thank you.